Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share 3 keto mushroom recipes with you. They're all easy low-carb meal ideas with mushrooms, and I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below which actually has 15 easy keto mushroom recipes, so click through for that. So there's all of these and loads more, and be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know your favorite keto mushroom recipes. I'm getting started with this super creamy mushroom sauce that's perfect to enjoy with steak, chicken, or your low-carb keto-friendly meal of choice.
And you really just need these 2 ingredients, some beautiful mushrooms and some fresh cream, pouring cream, any cream that you've got in your fridge, and you can make a creamy mushroom sauce. And there are loads of variations, of course, and I've written a blog post which I'll leave a link to down below, so you can mix and match the flavors depending whether you want it garlicky or cheesy or just lovely and herby sauce. So I'll leave those links down below, and make sure if you're not already subscribed to my channel, you subscribe for more videos like this. Leave a like and a comment too. Let me know how you enjoy this creamy mushroom sauce. So I'm going to get on and prep my mushrooms and I'll show you how to make the sauce. I've just very roughly sliced up all of the mushrooms. I've got some butter in a frying pan, use coconut oil if you prefer, and it's just sizzling away, and I'm going to cook all these mushrooms now. Okay, mushrooms are in the frying pan. Might add a little bit of salt to it, and just keep adding butter and keep cooking it until the mushrooms are reduced down and browned, and then we'll add our cream. And then it's really up to you when you want to add in your cream. I want my mushrooms reduced down a lot more, so I'm going to keep cooking them until they're browned and all of that liquid over there from the mushrooms has been evaporated into steam. And yeah, I'm just going to keep adding butter, salt. You could add a little bit of seasoning as well as you go, a bit of oregano, thyme, even some turmeric if you want to go that way. But yeah, just going to keep cooking. Add my salt and my butter, and I'll show you when it's ready to add the cream. Okay, now that is beautifully cooked. I love those mushrooms. We're going to add the cream in now, and it's really up to you how liquidy and creamy you want your mushroom sauce. I like mine a little thicker and more mushroomy, so I've just added a nice pouring of my cream, and I'm just going to let it bubble away. Just mix in every now and then and just let the sauce reduce down. Just needs a few minutes to bubble away, and you've got a beautiful thickened mushroom sauce. Really takes no time at all. You can see the sauce is thickened up. Now you could add a bit of cheese or parmesan at this stage if you want a cheesy, creamy mushroom sauce, or just give it another minute or so to bubble away, and we'll move it into a bowl.
So that's this creamy mushroom sauce. Keep watching for a couple of more easy keto mushroom recipes. And next is this super cheesy casserole with mushroom and cabbage. Let me talk you through the ingredients and then I'll show you how to make it.
So let's chat through the ingredients really quickly and then we'll get on and cook. So I've got this cabbage. I found it. It's reduced from €1 to 50 cents for a whole cabbage. I'm going to probably use half of the cabbage. And I've got these mushrooms. I quite like these big portobello mushrooms, but you can feel free to use any mushrooms you like. So we've got those as our veggies, and then I'm going to make a nice sauce to bring the casserole together with egg, feta, and grated cheese. So I have very roughly chopped up half of the cabbage. It's pretty much filled up my frying pan, and I've drizzled over olive oil. I'm going to add a bit of salt. You can add pepper, any other seasoning to taste. Get this started reducing, and then we'll chop up the mushrooms and add them too in a little bit. Cabbage has started softening nicely, so I've added in chopped mushrooms. I always add more mushrooms than I think I'll need because they shrink down. So I am going to cook this down until it's all reduced. And next I'll show you how to make the cheesy sauce we're going to make. And I'm not sure how well you can hear me with all the veggies cooking behind me, but I'm just going to make my cheesy sauce by cracking open 2 eggs. And just give that a whisk. And then we're going to add in half a cup of grated cheese, give that a mix in. And feta. What I've done is I've opened up the feta, I've halved it, and I've cubed up half of it, and I'm just going to add all of that in and give it a nice mix and squash through, get all of the feta nice and mixed through to make this really cheesy sauce that's just full of flavour. Adding feta in just does that. Yeah. That's perfect. A nice cheesy chunky sauce that's just going to bring everything together. Now I'm just going to check on the veggies. They're coming along nicely, almost softened but steamy, and next we'll move it all into the baking dish. Okay, so the veg are in my baking dish. I'm going to pour over the sauce and we'll mix it all through. You want to get that cheesy feta sauce distributed all over in every corner. Just fold it through, mix it over. Alright, and when you're totally happy with it, then you can sprinkle over another half a cup of cheese. I'm just using the same mozzarella cheese, but you can feel free to use Parmesan or Pecorino, really any cheese you like. Just cover it in cheesiness, and now it's going to go into the oven, which is preheated to 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 Fahrenheit, and it's going to go in for about 25-30 minutes until you've got a nice cheesy topping and everything is cooked through, which I will show you next. And it's out the oven. Look at all the beautiful layers, the cabbage, the mushroom, the lovely cheesy sauce, and look at that crispy cheesiness. What a yum dish. What delicious vegetarian meal, which is gluten-free, it's low-carb, keto-friendly, and it's just so good. So that's this crispy, cheesy mushroom casserole with cabbage. Keep watching for one more easy keto mushroom recipe. And finally, this omelette with mushroom and cheese can be enjoyed as breakfast or breakfast for dinner. It makes a lovely meal any time of the day. So let me show you how to make it. And I'm starting out straight away by sauteing mushrooms. I've got loads of sliced mushrooms. Use any you like. In heaps of butter. You can use coconut oil, olive oil instead if you want, whatever you want. And you can add in some onion, garlic, leek. I'm going to crush some garlic over in a second. And add salt, pepper, any other seasoning you like to taste too. And I'm just using my handy garlic press to crush a couple of garlic cloves over and into my mushrooms to mix through so they'll be nice and garlicky. And I'm just going to keep cooking these mushrooms until they're nice and reduced down and beautifully cooked. And while the mushrooms are cooking, I'm just going to see to my eggs. I've got 5 eggs and a whole lot of cream here, and we're just going to whisk it until it's smooth. Just like that, and now the omelette will be ready to go once the mushrooms have cooked. And my mushroom filling is pretty much done. It smells so wonderful with the garlic, and it's just such a wonderful filling for an omelette. So I'm going to move this off into a bowl and pop my egg in. So I've moved the mushrooms into a bowl, I've cleaned out the frying pan and popped the egg mixture in, and it's just a matter of making an omelette now. I like to move the inside out, the outside in, until it's all nice and evenly distributed, and then we'll fill it back up with our mushrooms. And now it's perfectly set and ready to be filled with mushrooms and cheese. And the mushrooms and cheese are in there. We've got beautiful filling piled high, and now I'm just going to very gently fold the omelette over. Broken the omelette in half just to make it easy to manage, and each half is folded over and filled with all the mushrooms, and it's just so yum. And they're done. Beautiful overfilling mushrooms omelette, beautiful with cheese and garlic, and so good. But that is the video for today with 3 keto mushroom recipes. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know your favorite keto mushroom recipes. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.